To add folders and upload files and images inside those folders, we need to be in the file list. To add a folder, we click this plus button here, where we can then add the folders we want. And you can add up to 10 folders at one time. In this case, I'm going to create 2 folders. So I'm going to click 2 from the drop-down list, and in the input boxes, I'm going to give our folders a name, such as Files and Images. Once done, we can then click Create Folders button. If after you've clicked the button and nothing happens on screen, just click back into the folder you created those folders inside, as this is just a bit of a lag within this version of TYPO3. As we can see, those folders have been created. To upload a file or image, we need to go into one of the folders we created. And as I'm going to be uploading an image, I'm going to click inside our Images folder. To upload an image, we click the Upload button, where we can select the image from our computer. And this will upload into our folder and will go green once uploaded. As you may have noticed, we're missing the action buttons. And this happens every time you upload a new file or image inside the file list. And to get those action buttons to show, we just need to either refresh the page or click into the folder. And then we'll see our action buttons again.